as far as I know, the investigators from the NBI CAR are almost complete in their investigation. Bagamat sa pagkakaalam ko po, meron silang ini-apply na application for cyber warrant. Yung cyber warrant is the application for a warrant to examine computer data. Bagamat ang ebidensya ng cellphone ay nandoon na po sa pag-iingat ng ating mas mataas na mga otoridad, naniniwala ang NBI na kinakailangan makapag-apply kami ng warrant para mai-allow tayo to examine yung data na nandoon sa cellphone. Although we will have to secure an update from our investigators kung ito ay na-file na o hindi pa.
Gaano po ka-importante itong kung na ma-issuehan ng cyber warrant at mabusisi ninyo yung laman ng cellphone itong si
at
Yusek Cabral?
least it would legitimize the process of conducting an examination on the digital device para mawalan ng kung anumang pag-agam-agam na ang gagawing examination ay walang pahintulot ang korte o ang batas.
But is there any possibility na mawala na yung mga impormasyon na ito sa cellphone niya?
I would not be able to comment on that, considering that we do not have the custody of the cellphone. Pero meron naman pong mga forensic applications that would allow our investigators to retrieve even those deleted from the digital device.